Welcome to the Golden Duo, Mastering Smartphone Focus and Exposure. This video will show you how to take control of your smartphone camera. In automatic mode, your phone guesses what you want. It averages the scene, ignoring your priority and limiting your artistic vision. By mastering two tools, focus and exposure, you take control. Focus controls clarity, and exposure controls light, allowing you to create true art. Focus acts as a spotlight, highlighting your main subject. It directs the viewer's eye and helps to tell the story of your photo. To gain clarity, you frame the shot, then tap the screen. The lens will instantly find perfect clarity on your chosen subject. To lock the focus, simply press and hold the screen. This allows you to reframe the shot while keeping the focus exactly where you want it. Cameras are designed to see average gray. This can make bright snow look dark and shadows look grainy. You must guide the light. To guide the light, tap your subject and a sun icon will appear. Slide up for brightness and slide down for shadows. When a scene is overexposed, bright skies can lose data. Once the sensor erases white highlights, you cannot recover those blown-out skies. The key is to protect the sky first. Slide the exposure down to save the bright sky, knowing you can always brighten dark areas later in editing. You choose the priority. You can tap the window for the view or tap the room for a person. Your choices guide the camera's settings. Create expensive depth in your photos. Tap a close object to focus, and the background will blur. This technique makes your photos look professional. Your new 3-step workflow is simple. First, compose the frame. Second, tap the subject to focus. Third, slide the light to adjust exposure. By mastering these techniques, you preserve perfect memories. You stop just taking pictures and start making art. Hold the power. Master the golden duo of focus and exposure and upgrade your photographic vision today.